hills of Hanyu Trep he rose, a voice for the people, strong and close. With wisdom deep and heart sincere, he carved a path for all to hear. Born of struggle, shaped by grace, a son of Shella, a timeless face. Through quake and storm he stood so tall, a beacon bright for one and all. Oh, Father of the Sixth, you paved the way for freedom's song to bloom today. With courage bold and vision true, the tribes of the East owe their dawn to you. The golden ladder broke apart, disunity tore the people's heart. But Nichols Roy with steady hand rebuilt the soul of this ancient land. He fought the tide of colonial might, with words of peace he brought the light, a bridge to join the past and new. A dream for me, a dream for you. Oh, Father of the Sixth, you paved the way for freedom's song to bloom today. The hills unite, the council stand, your legacy lives in this land. With courage bold and vision true, the tribes of the East owe their dawn to you. From Durbar's old to councils free, he wove a thread of liberty. For every voice, for every clan, a woman, a child, a Khasi man. Sixth schedule his guiding star, a shield for the hills near and far. Through India's heart his spirit flows, a statesman's love forever grows. Oh, Father of the Sixth, you paved the way for freedom's song to bloom today. The hills unite, the council stand, your legacy lives in this land. With courage bold and vision true, the tribes of the East owe their dawn to you.